was not like crystal clear. I had some kind of idea, but not like crystal clear.
There were many like different paths that were like piquing my interest, but yeah, there wasn't a specific path that I knew that I would like to pursue.
It was very nice to talk to ma'am and to just to work on my future.
I found it good. The counseling session was good, and the assessment was also fine.
I've never been crystal clear of what I want to do. I've always been in a state of dilemmas.
Like I got to know so much about so many different paths, and like I could understand which path I wanted to take or may like to take.
It was a very good experience for me. I understand deeply about this assessment, about teaching, what we have to do.
So that was like very informative and very good.
About the career options, it gave me more in-depth knowledge about it and how to pursue it, the different fields and colleges and all.
So it was very interactive, and we have cleared all our doubts.
See, what I believe, parents should not decide with preoccupied mind okay, I am doctor, so my child should become doctor, or I am engineer, so my child should become engineer. So parents need to watch carefully their children in which area they can do good or what is their area of interest, and accordingly they should be groomed up.
लगा मुझे भी, मैंने भी अटेंड किया था, मतलब अच्छा था सेशन इसका जो भी था, और इसका भी मतलब रिस्पांस अच्छा था, और जो मैम ने लिया था उनका भी मतलब उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा टाइम दिया मैम ने भी.
No, in fact she beautifully explained everything, all aspects, personality aspects, reasoning ability, mathematical ability, and careers, what all careers he can choose, in which areas he is inclined, what are his developmental areas, strengths क्या है, तो उस पे how to capitalize it, your strengths. अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा था. That was very nice.
Lovely.
Now he is very much clear what to do in future, because otherwise he was a little bit confused earlier.
It was nice. I am in Grasim since 18 years, and this was first time. It is very good initiative by our agency.
Good initiative, very rare corporates used to do. And in India, I don't think big corporates have started this type of thing. So, but this type of program they have initiated first.
It's a very good initiative, and it's very helpful for us also, because most of the times we are always busy in our jobs and never thinking about the other things. And we are also thankful for this Grasim, and he's thinking about this and helping for providing this type of platform.
It is a unique program which Grasim has taken up, and really is wonderful, and we are really thankful to Grasim.
I think it's absolutely helping, because for me actually it was really a new thing, and for me particularly it was really helping out, because to come to know about all the details and all this. It was really good initiative, and then I discussed with a couple of the team members, and it was really good.
They are not only taking care of myself, they are taking care of my family also. This is a wonderful platform they have provided. Definitely I'm thankful to the group, since I am working with the Birla Group from last almost 15 years, and definitely this will be helping a lot to finalize her best career option.
The initiative by the Grasim for their taking care about their employees' children's for the career counseling. It's a very good initiative. We want to continue for this type.
It's a great initiative, because normally we tend to have a typical HR working which is there, but I think this was slightly off the track, because getting to know the career of your child, of one of your employees, is something going beyond what is expected from a company. So I think that's a great initiative that has been done. Of course, it's not directly linked to your company, but I think over a period of time, these activities kind of build a sense of loyalty towards the company also.
Very innovative idea, because that's we decode in our organization almost 10 to 12 hours. Then we don't have so much time further to concentrate for our son study, actually what to do, how to do. Now this will guide me that what we can do for my son, actually. That's great, excellent.